Hey guys, welcome back to our channel like 3 years later. We are
The Hand Girls.
Today we are going to be making a peach cobbler, a keto-friendly peach cobbler, and we hope you guys will enjoy this video. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Yes, like it. And go watch our last YouTube video 3 years ago, where we made a strawberry sponge cake.
We're in a whole different house now.
Yes, so let's get on to the video. For your dry ingredients, you will need 1.5 cups of
Flour
and 2 cups of
sugar.
So we have already put 1 cup of sugar into our peaches because that's what the instructions said to do. And we will need our wet ingredients as
1.5 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of water, and 8 tablespoons of butter, which is a stick.
Yeah, or a whole stick. And you will need to put your sugar into your peaches. Your 4 cups of peaches is what you'll need. And then you're gonna wanna put it onto a saucepan with your 1/2 cup of water, and then put that to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So we're gonna do that right now.
So you're gonna have to put your butter inside your 3-quart baking dish and put it in the oven at 350 degrees till it melted.
I forgot to tell you guys that we needed 4 cups of peeled and sliced. So peeled and sliced peaches with the seed out as well, just to make that clear. Okay, so the next step, you will want flour and baking powder and a pinch of salt. So this is okay, so your next step will be to put your flour, milk, and sugar in. And in the flour, we have 1.5 cups of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. So go ahead and put that in, Bea. There you go. And this is 1 cup of sugar. Go ahead and put that in.
What kind of sugar?
That is keto-friendly sugar, or like a golden sugar. It's not brown sugar. And then 1.5 cups of milk.
She will be adding that in.
Yeah. And I'm going to whisk it all together with a big whisk.
Till it's all...
Yeah, till it's all done.
It looks like pancake mix.
Yeah, it does. Okay, so your next step will to be make sure that your flour and sugar mixture is all nice and smooth without clumps. You're gonna want your butter, your melted butter in your pan, and your simmered peaches. And I'm going to pour in my flour mixture into my butter mixture, just like so. And I'm gonna have my Grammy come help me, or Bea help me, get the spoonula right by the scissors, and pour that and scrape it all around.
It looks like pancake mix.
Yeah, it does. It's supposed to look very smooth without chunks.
Or cake.
All right, and then you're gonna want to get a 1/3 cup little measuring cup and get your simmered peaches out and put them into one of those and pour it on top. Make sure you get all of it. I have a little bit left in here, so I'm just gonna kind of bend it back and put it into the spots that are kind of almost empty. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm done doing this. Okay, so I had my Grammy help me put the rest of the peach mixture and the rest of the flour mixture into here. And you're gonna wanna put that into the oven at 350 for 30 to 45 minutes.
This is the finished product.
It took us about 45 minutes to bake it all the way like to where it's perfect, and it's kind of crispy around the edges because that's how we like it. And it looks really good.
It was a lot of butter.
How long did it take you to prepare it?
25 minutes, somewhere around there. And then it took us 45 minutes to bake it, but we started with 30 minutes, then we did 10 more minutes, and then 5 minutes. So we cooked it in parts, and we have another one baking in the oven right now.
That's not keto.
Yeah, it's not keto friendly, so it's all done.
So,
Like it,
Like
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye. See you next time. Bye.